Hi everyone, welcome to YouTube channel. Hope you subscribe my channel. If not, so just do it now. So guys, here you can see I got some product from Aliexpress. Here I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Today I got 9 product. So I like to open all this product and show you and also explain the quality of this product. So let's start. So first come first, I like to cite all my product and open one by one. So first I like to open this one. Here you can see it's a fruit messenger. This is some kind of fruit messenger. It helps to message your fruit and keep your remove your joint pain, fruit joint pain. I side one. Now I like to open another one. This is a cable holder. This will hold your cable such as phone cable, laptop cable and others cable. This is a magnetic, so I like to open and show you how it works. Here you can see this is magnet. I got 3, so I like to show how it works. And this is my iPhone cable. Now I like to show how it works. Here you can see. And now take one, just hold one. There you go. There you can see where is hold the cable. You can also just so here you can see. In this way you can hold your cable. This is a cable holder. So I'm going to next product. This one my next. Okay. This will keep your foot flat, relax. I like to show. You can see this is for right foot and this is for left foot. So here you can see right foot, left foot. You need to place this in your foot. Here you can see one smooth foot. This will on the smooth tips which will make your foot relax and remove your foot pain. This is really nice. So I am going to next product. This is little bit big product. Okay. Wow. This is shocks. I got 5 pair of shocks. This is nothing but shock. So going to next product. This one. Wow, this is a lighter. Here you can see this is lighter, and this is for filter, smoke filter. So here you can see this is really 5-string lighter. If you like to, sorry, I need to open this one. I need to open this one. So here you go. Here you can see it's lighter. I think there is no gas. That's why it's not firing. Now I like to open next product. This one. Oops. This is Bluetooth device. You can see this is Bluetooth device. You can use this Bluetooth device for your laptop or desktop easily. So just you need to plug in and connect your Bluetooth device. So your laptop and or desktop will be convert to Bluetooth device. So that's all. I am going to next product. Wow, here you can see this is 32 MB 32 GB SD card. Here you can see smart card. I got 2 gift. Here you can see one adapter and one card reader. These 2 I got with my 32 GB SD card. Site, and I like to go to next product. this Lego toy. So here it is. This is Lego toy. So that's all. And all of this product, I got every product quality is really good, and all of product is now in good condition, no damage. You can find all of product link in my description below. Thank you for watching. Please stay safe and be happy.